ka jingra khe lene ka sngi kan mau jong ka jingi khun persya yaw drugs lene ka beljutip kum ka International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking laperlong hanong po da ka jingi trilang jong ki arteli tenat sarkar ke bekentup ya ka District Social Welfare Report District bat ka tenat Civil Defense and Homeguard banang perlong syushu ya ki pajba bantip ya ka jing sniu jong drugs ha ka bahagni program laperlong menta ka sngi ha District Library nong po hak bala perlong ru ya gi program paper ki balawan bani simbentan dagi kena skol bat kiwe ki bakentup ya ke jingya rally ka performance stamp dag ba penbut ru ya ke jingya maret thong ke besan kilometer kajing kop tho ese kajing kop tho slogan bat kenong job hagi te kajing kop baper kelayo ban ra ya kesong pisa rekat robot trophy hagi ni program lawan ro bani don lang dau MLA jongonong po oba Emerald Bonds im kumukongsan u Abhishek Saini ubri Assistant Commissioner Ribhoi District oba S Paslen ubri DSP Ribhoi ikong I Karshandi ubri DSWO Ribhoi District uba PH Shishalla ubri Divisional Commandant Homeguard ki kena school kinong tre jongotanat Civil Defense Homeguard bat kiwe
Kini kejini pun kalau menghukum sang itu kata, bat mana kesiru bagi orang ini, lalu ki nongtre jongka soka department berke, kumjur kena school ini nongkai di volunteers ki belayan lah, bani itu nagam tak mau bani pun, ya bani itu sendiri kok yang langkah salah kejuni, kabaladon Kabalarung agilong yin gilong sem kislong ditau udah. It is a time that we have to work together. It is a time that we have to put our heads together. The law enforcing agency like the police, I would like to place on record my sincere thanks for the dedication to be very prompt in taking action against the drug supplier, the drug peddler, and we have heard from the DSP that even yesterday also they have not the culprit, and in the past also we have seen that police in Ribhoi District, police in East Jaintia District, police in East Kasihir District, and other district of the state, they have tried their level best. But it won't end up only there. Kamput terhantar. Ban penduk you drugs, ban kem ni ginong ni drugs, ban kem ni ginong ni drugs. Kamput tang do ditrei police ber social there. Kapukongsan ke di trelang jong ginong functional di Pakistan. Kita functional. Kisenglong kami. Kiseng sangla. Di VDP, berkuih di NGO, di civil society, banyak dan kadang-kadang terima. Di polis di rekam beliau yang lead dan information dan kamera. Hadis nong di tahu tentang ini, tentang di nong di tahu urut surat baan ni, kibul, ki kunsamla, senrang, kunjur kerja lada. Ilongnya. Jadi sebelum ilongnya ilong saya di kopai. Kamu long dapat semai, Abun kimi pa di kawan sangat kiwan jongin le kono ya ki khun ki jumi yang simet kisengki kiji yang nam dari khun kiwan habadan sangat jongin le kono ba ya rakyat mesti bagi ibu masuk di rehabilitation center di hari boy dan yang jelas ini government run rehab center di Padang tidak di private pun kita di siu kan nasrai si penai siu sekolah jalan yang sama dia si penai siu di kami betul ini oleh kami lalu besuk dan mari kita kalah sebagai dia dah ini kalau dari ban nongong kiwalang ngopru ban perlu umur suki jadi keren di astan komisioner ini Dr. Saini you have said a very valid point with regards to how to cure the drug addict. It is not easy for the one who have already addicted drugs. Slowly, this is a gradual process. Kesan lah, ban tentu. Yang nunggu drug addict apabila set kalau mereka apa rugi, la persang ban sumar itu kita hap aja drug ban suki ban pembelian kita bisa pembelian makan jah. No, doctor, it's like that. Suddenly you cannot stop because it will affect the body. Physically, it is not right. Slowly and gradually. Kini kam juga pun kam hatu kata-kata kini kita, itu pun kini kita, itu juga kini kita, itu karya jadi pun salah itu. Kata ini kepada pemsan hari apa? The awareness program, there are different awareness program that has been organized, but it is sad to say, awareness program with regard to say no to drugs. Say no to plastic, say no to early marriage. Whenever the health department, social welfare department, police department, they will reach out to the villages for awareness, very less attendance, less people come for awareness program. But whenever there is a roadshow program, the field will be full of people. You don't need to give any awareness for that. However, if you have roadshow, Abang di Nongsyat, di Nongruai, dot kimadan, dot di Indorbar, terkam, bangkot. Lalu dalam di awareness, kita Jepang, kita keren Jepang, kita Songkang, Jepang jadi melil berdiri.